My lady, I intend to take your thoughts on Articles 286 and 287 of the Constitution. I would preamble what I'm going to say with recent decisions of His Excellency the President regarding imposition of salary fines on ministers and appointees who fail to declare their assets. I shall also want to know your mind on the exclusive role of SHRAJ in investigating breaches of asset declaration obligations. That said, as a background, I proceed to ask you, 1, in your view, do you think that the President has a constitutional authority to impose sanctions, such as fines on ministers and other appointees who fail to declare their assets? Or, to you, this function is exclusively reserved for SHRAJ under Article 287 of the Constitution?
I believe that the Office of the President has decided to put in place some administrative procedures. And I do not see that there is a conflict with the duties of SHRAJ. Because if a public officer is reported to SHRAJ as having contravened the law on filing of the necessary documents or declaring assets, SHRAJ would also be entitled to take its necessary action. So I do not think that there is a conflict between the two.
My lady, that said, let's stay a bit on what you describe as the administrative decision. So that is at the heart of my question. Are you therefore suggesting that in spite of trying to investigate and make appropriate orders or recommendations, sanctions, etc., administratively, the President, in the exercise of his executive functions, can also impose sanctions, fines, as is the case?
Honorable Chair, I would like the question to be repeated.
So, what I'm saying is that the Constitution mandates SHRAJ to take up matters regarding breaches of the Constitution in the manner that I've already given a background to. And I'm giving you an example of asset declaration. Failure to declare your assets. I am referring to the recent administrative directive by the President to sanction those breaches by way of a fine. In that context, I want to pick your thoughts on whether or not administratively His Excellency can usurp such powers to impose administrative fines as part of his executive powers.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I do not think that it's a usurpation of powers. That is my position.
Very well. But administratively, Chairman, this strategy by the majority, that they have their time. When it gets to my time, then I have follow-up. Anyway, I will yield to you. If you, Chairman, would want to allow these things, no problem. Follow up. And you think that you'll be distracting me. I don't.
Honourable members, I believe